Hey, what's up guys, I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to another episode of Taste of Asian Food. Today, I'm going to prepare a chicken and green bean stir fry Cantonese style with an addition of some Sichuan seasonings. So it will definitely something that is special, unique, and I can tell you that the flavor is definitely outstanding. So let's get started right now. I like using chicken thigh meat because it has more contents of fat than chicken breast and therefore it is more tender. Cut the chicken meat into bite size. However, if you prefer use chicken breast, cut them thinly into slices so that it's more tender. Now let's marinate the chicken with some light soy sauce, some cornstarch, little bit of salt, cooking oil. Give it a mix, then marinate for 15 minutes or longer. Soy sauce is an essential item in Chinese cooking to marinate the meat because soy sauce can not only help to improve the flavor, but also because it is slightly acidic and therefore helps to tenderize the meat. For the green beans, cut away both ends. And then cut into sections about 1.5 inches. Next, constitute a stir-fry sauce which is primarily Cantonese style. Light soy sauce, some oyster sauce for the flavor, sesame oil for the aroma, and I add a little bit of fish sauce to make the taste slightly different today. Just a little bit. A little bit of water so that it can mix well easily. And stir everything together, and that's the stir-fry sauce. So if I'm going to use this stir-fry sauce to prepare the beans and the chicken, then it's going to be primarily Cantonese style. However, today I want to make it slightly different. I'm going to add a little bit of chili bean paste that essentially is used in Sichuan cuisine, plus some chili oil to make it slightly spicy. Besides that, I've prepared some chopped garlic. Now let's start cooking. We're going to cook the chicken first. This is chili oil. I like chili oil, but I can't take too spicy, so I'm going to use half chili oil and half vegetable oil. And some vegetable oil. Now let's add the chicken. Pan fry the chicken on both sides, single layer, until both sides turns golden. I'm using a well-seasoned cast iron wok and that's why it is not sticky. Alternatively, you can use a non-stick pan instead. When the chicken pieces are cooked, remove it from the wok and leave the remaining oil behind. Now use the remaining oil to saute the chopped garlic. And then add the chili bean paste. Continue sauteing until the chili bean paste turns aromatic. Then add the green beans. You may add a little bit of water at this stage if it is too dry. And stir fry the green beans for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the green beans turns crisp tender. The time required also depends on how tender you want the beans to be. If you want it to be more tender, add more water and then cover it for a minute. And if you are unsure, just take one to do a taste test to see whether it is already crisp tender. Once you are satisfied with the green beans, add the stir-fry sauce that we have prepared just now. Then return the chicken and then stir fry it over high heat to create a wok aroma. Once it's done, remove it from the wok and it's ready to serve. Quick and easy, but intensely savory, and I hope you will enjoy this unique beans and chicken stir fry with a combination of Cantonese and Sichuan flavor. That is the green beans and chicken stir fry with a combination flavor of Cantonese and Sichuan flavor. It is a little bit spicy, but my family loves it, and I hope you will love it too. And if you want to get the recipe, I've included it in the description below the video. And don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.